Hi. On today's Talking Timepieces Quick Close-Up, we take a close-up look at the new Swatch Blancpain Pacific Ocean. It has a really nice bezel action, by the way, and everything does line up. It's a really sharp-looking piece with kind of a fume dial and a date indicator. This is a System 51. The two models that don't have dates actually have 47 parts, not 51. But I like this one, except people keep thinking I'm a Steelers fan or whatever team is that's black and yellow. I don't follow sports. But it is a really nice looking piece, and the movement has the rotor has the sea slug that the color for the case is taken from for the scuba version 50 fathoms Swatch Blancpain Pacific Ocean.